Hey tech friends, welcome back into a tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn how to set song as a ringtone on a phone. So in this, I will guide one of the easiest and step-by-step process to set song as a ringtone on your phone. So let's dive into our video. First of all, open your setting application on mobile device. After that, you have to scroll it. Inside that, now you can see here sound and vibration option. You will get. Tap on this. Inside that, now you can see here ringtone. So tap on this ringtone option. Inside that, you will be getting some default music and all, which will be inbuilt with your mobile system only. So if you want to from other platform, now you can see here choose local ringtone option is there. Tap on this. So if you have already downloaded that music, so you can select that audio file. I already downloaded some music, so you have to download that. After downloading that, you have to select that audio file inside that. After that, now you can see here different musics are there. You can select that music which you downloaded. After selecting any music, now you can see here OK option is there. Tap on OK. So in this way, you can set a ringtone for a mobile device. So if you like this video helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe and comment below. Thanks for watching this video.